Good day everyone, this is Caroline Palangos and this lesson is about solving a system of linear equation with elimination in word problems. So, system of linear equation. A system of linear equation consists of more than one linear equation in which all of the equations contain the same variable. So, sa mga equations natin na gagamitin, dapat kapag ang ginamit natin is variable a, b, c, meaning, ang gagamitin natin sa lahat ng ating equations, kung 2 variables man yan, 3 variables, dapat a, b, c din po. So, word problem is a mathematical problem expressed entirely in words typically used as an educational tool. So, sa method of linear equation, ang gagamitin po natin is elimination method. So, ano nga ba yung elimination method? So, elimination, this is one method for solving a system of linear equation which involves adding the equations together in order to eliminate or cancel out one of the variable terms. So, from the word itself, elimination, so magtatanggal tayo ng mga variable, mag-eliminate tayo ng mga variable so that we can get the value of we're looking for na variable. So, we have example number 1. This is 2 variable. Ronron is planning to buy 4 apples and 3 orange in 100 pesos. His brother Steven also planning to buy 3 apples and 4 orange in 90 pesos. Find the cost of an apple and an orange. So what we are looking for is kung ilan ang price kapag bumili sila Ronron and Steven ng isang apple at isang orange. So first step, we have to determine what variable we are going to use. So we will let A be the cost of each apple and let O be the cost of each orange. So now we already determined our variables. We are going to formulate our equation. So ang equation natin dito is 4 apple plus 3 orange is equal to 100 pesos. The equation 2 is 3 apple plus 4 orange is equal to 90. Equation 2. Now, after formulating the equation, we are now going to proceed for elimination. So, to eliminate the 4a and 3a or the variable a, we have to find a number na kung saan kapag minultiply natin sa 4a at number na minultiply natin sa 3a, maka-cancel out sila. So, let's try to eliminate a. Let negative 3 in equation 1 plus 4 in equation 2. So, bakit negative 3 and 4 ang imumultiply natin? Kasi kapag minultiply mo ang negative 3 sa 4, magiging negative 12 siya. And kapag minultiply mo naman ang 4 sa 3, magiging positive 12. So, let's see. Let's proceed. Negative 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to negative 12 minus, kasi negative 3 at positive 3, that would be 9 and 3, negative 3 multiplied to 100 is negative 300. And 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12a, plus 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 90 is equal to 360. So as you can see, we have negative 12a and positive 12a, meaning we're going to cancel out the variable a. Ang natitira na lamang is si negative 9 and positive 16. So that would be equals to 7. And negative 30 divided by negative 300 minus 360 is equal to 60. So divide both sides sa 7. Cancel out si 7. And ang matitira na lang is si variable o. 60 divided by 7, that would be 8.57. Now, how are we going to get the value of a? So to find a, we will let O equals to 8.57 in equation 1. So yung nakuha nating value ni O, isa-substitute natin siya sa equation 1. So we will rewrite the equation 1, which is 4a plus 3o is equal to 100. So 4a plus 3, substitute yung 8.57, copy the 100, 4a plus 3 times 8.57, that would be 25.71 is equal to 100. Ayan. And after that, for a, since we are going to isolate the variable a para makuha natin yung value niya, ita-transpose natin si 25.71 sa right side. So, 4a is equal to 100 minus 25. Since we transpose that from left side to right side, magiging negative siya. So, negative 25.71. So, copy the 4a. 100 minus 25.71 is equal to 74.29. So, divide both side by 4. Cancel out yung 4. So, a is equal to 74.29 divided by 4 is equal to 18.57. So therefore, the cost of one apple is equal to 18.57 and the cost of one orange is equal to 8.50. Example number 2. Auntie bought 3 pen and 8 notebooks for her daughter with a total of 180 pesos. Uncle bought 3 pen and 6 notebooks for his son with a total of 140 pesos. Find the cost of each pen and notebook. So we're looking for the cost of one pen and 1 notebook. Kung magkano ba binili ni auntie and uncle ang isang pen at isang notebook. So, same process with the example number 1 na kung saan we're going to determine the variable first. So we will let P be the total of each pen and let N be the total of each notebook. So let's formulate our equation. 3P plus 8N is equal to 180, which is the total kung magkano binili ni auntie yung 3 pen and 8 notebook. The second equation is 3p plus 6n is equal to 140. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So after formulating the equation, magpo-proceed na tayo sa elimination method. So ang eliminate natin first is si variable p. So to eliminate p, to eliminate variable p, let equation 1 plus negative equation 2. So copy the equation 1, which is 3p plus 8n is equal to 180, and lalagyan i-change natin ng negative yung operation ng equation 2 para ma-eliminate natin si variable p. So negative 3p minus 6n is equal to negative 140. Cancel out si positive 3p at si negative 3p. So 8 minus 6, that would be n. That would be 2n is equal to 180 minus 140 is equal to 40. Divide both sides sa 2. Cancel out the 2. And n is equal to 40 divided by 2. That would be 20. So after getting the value of n, we have to get the value of p. So to find p, let n is equals to 20. Isa-substitute natin yung value ni n sa equation 2. Bakit sa equation 2? Para hindi tayo makakuha ng negative answer. So, equation 2 is 3p plus 6n is equal to 140. So, copy the 3p plus 6. Substitute natin yung 20 na value ni n is equal to 140. 3p plus 6 times 20 is equal to 120. Copy the 140. And para ma-isolate natin si variable p, we have to transpose the 120 to the right side. So 3p is equal to 140 minus, because you transpose it to the right side, that would become negative 120. So 3p is equal to 140 minus 120 is equal to 20. Divide both sides sa 3 para ma-cancel out natin si 3, and p is equal to 20 divided by 3 is equal to 6.67. So therefore, the total of one pen is equal to 6.67 and the total of one notebook is equal to 20 pesos. Sa example number 3 natin, it already consists of 3 variables na kung saan even dito sa 3 variables, same process pa rin ang mangyayari with the 2 variables. So, the problem is the gardeners harvest their planted vegetables in the mountain and sell it to the market. The first gardener harvests 5 crates of baggy beans, 3 crates of pepper, 2 crates of tomato, and the cost of the vegetable is 8,200 pesos. The second gardener harvests 10 crates of beans, 5 crates of pepper, 4 crates of tomato, and the cost of the vegetables is equal to 15,800 pesos. The last gardener harvests 10 crates of baggy beans, 7 crates of pepper, 10 crates of tomato, and the cost of the vegetable is equal to 24,200 pesos. Imagine that every crate of the vegetable harvested by the farmers consists of 20 kilos. How much is the price per crate of the baggy beans, pepper, and tomato? So since it's same process, so first step we have to determine the variable we're going to use. So we will let B be the cost. We will let B be the price of B let B be the price per crate of bagyo beans. And we will let B be the price per crate of pepper. And we will let T be the price per crate of tomato. Ayan. So, after that, we are now going to formulate our equation 1. So, ang equation 1 natin is 5B plus 3P plus 2P is equal to 8,200 pesos. Equation 1 and our equation 2 is the second gardener harvests 10B plus 5E plus 4P is equal to 15,800. So, the last equation is also the last gardener, which harvests 10 baggy beans, 7 pepper, and 10 tomato, equal to 24,200. Now, what's the next? What are we going to do next? Ayan. So, after formulating the equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So, we are now going to proceed to elimination method. So, in elimination method, we are going to eliminate B first in equation 1 and equation 2. Second, we were going to eliminate B again in equation 2 and equation. So again, we will now going to eliminate the variable B. So to eliminate variable B, let 2 in equation 1 plus negative equation 2. So 2 2 times 5 is equal to 10b plus 2 times 3 is equals to 6p plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and 8,200 times 2 is equal to 16,400. So in equation 2, which is this one, equation 2, this is our equation 2 and this is our equation 1, ha? In equation 2, we are going to change the operation, which is this one. So negative 10b minus 5p minus 4p is equal to negative 15,800. So now, we can eliminate the positive 10b and negative 10b. So, ang natitira na lamang is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So, we will not going to write the 1. Instead, we will just going to write p is equal to, because positive 40 and negative 40 is 0, we can cancel it. And 16,400 minus 15,800 is equal to 600. So next, what are we going to do? We have to find the equation 5. So to find equation 5, let negative in equation 2 plus equation 3, which the equation 1, this one, equation 1, equation 2, sorry, equation 2, this one, equation 2, negative 10p minus 5p minus 4p is equal to negative 15,800. Equation 3, which this is equation 3, 10b plus 7p plus 10p is equal to 24,200. So we have negative 10b and positive 10b that would be cancelled out. So negative 5 minus positive 7 is equal to 2p plus 10 minus 4 is equal to 6p, and 24,200 minus 15,800 is equal to 8,400. So this is our equation 5. So after calculating the equation 5, let's proceed to find the value of t. So to find t, let p is equal to 600 in equation 5. So what is our equation 5? That is 2p plus 6p is equal to 8,400. So copy the 2 and substitute the value of p, which is the 600 plus 60 is equal to 8,400. So 2 times 600 is 1,200 plus 60 is equal to 8,400. So, for you to isolate the variable t para makuha natin siya, yung value niya, ita-transpose natin si 1,200 sa right side. So, matitira na lang dito sa left side ay si 60 is equal to 8,400 minus because we transfer it to the right side, minus 1,200. 60 is equal to 8,400 minus 1,200 is equal to 7,200. After that, divide both sides sa 6 para ma-cancel out, and T is equal to 7,200 divided by 6 is equal to 1,200. Now we already get the value of T. We will get the value of P. So, to find B naman, or the value of, or the total cost of it per crates ng baggy beans, we will let P is equal to 600 and T is equal to 1,200 in equation 1. So what is our equation 1? Rewrite natin yung equation 1 natin, which is 5D plus 3P plus 2T is equal to 8,200. So, ayan, next step, copy the 5D plus 3, substitute natin yung value ni P, 600, plus 2, substitute natin yung value ni T, 1,200, equal 8,200. Next step, copy the 5D plus 3,000 times 600 is equal to 1,800 pesos. Plus 2 times 1,200 is equal to 2,400. Copy the 8,200. Next step, pag-aadin natin yung dalawang ito. So, copy the 5D kasi meron pa siyang variable. 1,800 plus 2,400 is equal to 4,200, and copy the 8,200. Ayan. So, pagkatapos niyan, copy ulit si B, and ita-transpose natin si 4,200 sa right side. That would be negative 4,200. So, copy equals 8,200 minus 4,200 is equal to 4,000. And para ma-isolate nating tuluyan si B, we are going to divide both sides by 5. Cancel out. B is equal to 4,000 divided by 5 is equal to 800. So therefore, the cost of Baguio beans per crate is equal to 800, and the cost of pepper per crate is equal to 600, and the cost of tomato per crate is equal to 1,200. So the second example for 3 variable is this one. Ate Saysay sells watermelon, cucumber, and pineapple. The cost of 2 watermelon, 3 cucumber, and 1 pineapple is 120 pesos. The cost of 1 watermelon, 2 cucumber, and 3 pineapple is 105 pesos. Lastly, the cost of 3 watermelon and 1 cucumber, 2 pineapple is equal to 135. Find the cost of each watermelon, cucumber, and pineapple. So, anong hinahanap natin dito? We are finding the total or magkano ba ang isang watermelon, cucumber, and pineapple. So, first step, we have to determine the variable as we do at the beginning of this lesson, no? For example 1. So, let W be the cost of each watermelon, and let C be the cost of each cucumber, and let P be the cost of each pineapple. So, anong susunod natin gagawin? We have to formulate our equation 1, 2, and 3. So, our equation 1 would be 2W because watermelon is 2 plus 3 cucumber plus 1 pineapple is equal to 120. This one. Equation 2. 1 watermelon, since it's just it's only one, we're just going to write the variable plus 2 cucumber plus 3 pineapple is equal to 105. Lastly, the cost of 3 watermelon plus 1 cucumber plus 2 pineapple is equal to 135. This is our equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So next step, we have to eliminate first this W or the variable W. So to eliminate W, let negative 2 in equation 2 plus negative plus equation 1. No negative. So rewrite our equation 2 and equation 1, which is W plus 2C plus 3P is equal to 105, and equation 1, 2W plus 3C plus P is equal to 120. So negative 2 multiplied by W, that would be negative 2W minus negative 2 times 2, 4C minus 6P is equal to negative 2 times 105, that would be negative 210, and copy the equation 1. Copy the 2W plus 3C plus P is equal to 120. Cancel out the the variable W, and negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 6 minus positive 1 is equal to negative 5P is equal to negative 210 minus 120 is equal to negative 90. So this is our equation 4. So for our equation 5, we are going to get the equation 5 using the, so to eliminate W, use let negative 3 in equation 2 plus equation 3. We're going to so negative 3W minus 6C minus 9P is equal to negative 315, and And copy the equation 3. 3W plus C minus 12P is equal to 135. So, cancel out yung variable W, and that would be negative 5C minus 7P is equal to 180. So, this is our equation 5. This is our equation 4. Now, we are going to eliminate the variable C, and we will use 5 in equation 4. Multiply natin yung 5 sa equation 4, and copy natin yung equation 5 na nakuha natin kanina. So, 5 times C is equals to 5C, of course, and 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. P is equal to negative 5 times negative 90 is equal to negative 450. Ayan. So, copy the equation 5, which is negative 5C minus 7P is equal to negative 180. Cancel out the variable C. Ang natitira na lang is negative 25 at negative 7. So, pag-adding natin, that would be negative 32P is equal to negative plus negative is always negative. So, 450 plus 180 is equal to 630. Divide both sides sa negative 32. Negative 32. Matitira na lang is si variable natin na si P. Negative 630 divided by negative 32 is positive 19.69. So next is we are going to find W na kung saan siya yung unang in-eliminate natin. So we are now going to find the value of W. So we will use the equation 1 na kung saan ay gagamitin din natin yung value ni P and yung value ni C. So 2W plus 3C plus P is equal to 120. Copy the 2W plus 3. Substitute natin yung value ni C, which is yung 15, plus copy natin yung value ni P. 15 is equal to 120. Copy yung 2W plus 3 times 15 is equal to 45 plus 15 is equal to 120. Copy the 2W. 45 plus 15 is equal to 60. So, plus 60 is equal to 120. Now, we're going to transpose 60 and it become negative. 2W is equal to 120 minus 60. Copy the 2W. 120 minus 60 is equal to 60. Divide both sides sa 2. Divide both sides sa 2. And matitira is yung variable na W or W. So 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30. So therefore, the cost of each watermelon is equal to 30 pesos and the cost of each cucumber is equal to 15 pesos and the cost of pineapple each is 15 pesos also. So that would be our last example for 3 variables. Thank you. Habalini atang.